GMs or shows finding any kind
Yeah, I'm looking for I would like a 68 Chevy C10 step side resto mod.
Yeah.
But I want to
Yeah, man, like, where you
touch with Andy.
I got a margarita for my wife, and she hasn't showed up yet. Would you like to have it?
No, thank you.
All right.
Right. Also, did you know that the 6061 car that we got so these holders are too long for the 56.
You know what? I'll go on.
Ignore the crime. I live inside.
was going to open it over. Because he has a better tire.
Are you shitting me, Will? Because why?
Better tire and a better transmission.
Oh, shit.
More power right now, bitch.
I gotta get it more power.
He said he's gonna get me more he can.
Oh yeah, and then you two will just keep duking it out till the end of time.
Mine's capable. What is yours capable? 1100?
Turbo 1100, engine 15, 16.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It will be happening.
That one's not. That's built for 1200.
Yeah.
They'll get me on that. But I have a iron block at my shop. LSX. And so I'll build a 441 and beat it with that.
What did you do this one?
No,
That thing is
I'll be honest.
with a tribute to the great soda pops right there on Main Street. And I'm over.
So we can go ahead and try to present this as a one-to-one tribute to. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to thank y'all foremost for coming out. And for March, everyone, it is a workout. It's always seasonal, so March.
Who's the guy that goes fast?
Hey man,
Where are you guys located?
San Antonio, Texas. We do mobile events, corporate events, birthday parties, weddings, golf tournaments, all that stuff. It's Chale Fuego, fine cigar events. We even have our own brand of cigar. Our own brand of cigars, Nicaraguan blend. That's these babies right over here. They are grown and rolled in the same region that Drew's State of Placencia does their stuff. And we have our Maduro right here, which is my baby. It's one I'm smoking. We also have a Habano, and we also have our Connecticut. Delicious.
All right. How can we reach you?
You can check me out at Instagram at chalefuego. You can also email us, chalefuegocigars@gmail.com. And if you want to, you can scan the QR code and get to us.
Yeah, my name is Jonathan. That's my graffiti name. Yeah, I've been doing graffiti since 13, around 13. It's like the first time I picked up like a spray can and stuff. Yeah, and from there I just kind of fell in love with the letters, you know, and so yeah, that's kind of like my go-to. Like I kind of like doing letters, little characters too, but I mean, doing graffiti at an early age like pretty much introduced me to art. I went to art school. Got a bachelor's degree and got a bachelor's degree in animation, and now I'm a graphic designer. So I do graphic design professionally, and artwork's I always do it on the side. So of course it started out just being a vandal or whatever. Like there was a ditch growing up by where my mom lived, so I would go down there and practice in the ditch and stuff. And yeah, a lot of times there was like run-ins with the law and stuff. Doing it illegally, but I mean, a lot of the times you can do it legally now, you know. So yeah, I just wrapped up pretty much a large-scale mural, and the owner asked me to go back to do the front of the building. So it's going to be another large-scale which is, I mean, it's good pay for side work, you know. So you could always make something of yourself, no matter as long as you like it, love it, and do something positive with it. I mean, it's always a good outlet. Check out my portfolio at jestrada.weebly.com. Yeah, that'll show like my graphic design and also my murals and stuff. And then you could also look me up on Instagram at Designed by John. That's designed with the ED at the end, and then by John, Jon.